Several natural disasters have hit Spain and Italy today, March 23, 2025. Spectacular hailstorms hit the cities of Barcelona and Santa Coloma de Farners, Catalonia. The hailstorm caused damage to vehicles, roofs, and public facilities.
Increïble! No havia vist mai això aquí al meu poble.
Some reports said that chunks of ice more than 5 centimeters in diameter hit the area, causing panic among residents. Local authorities have issued warnings for residents to stay indoors to avoid injury from falling ice at high speeds. In addition to hailstorms, heavy snowfall also hit several cities in Spain, including Barcelona, Zaragoza, and Leon.
Genoa. La calle llena de agua.
Tormentón dels macos.
The heavy snowfall caused disruption to public transportation, with several flights at Barcelona airport being delayed. The main highway connecting Spain to France was also reported to have experienced long traffic jams due to accumulated snow, forcing officers to work hard to clear the route. Meanwhile, in Italy, the city of Genoa experienced flash floods after heavy rains poured down on the area since early morning.
De pedra.
The Bisagna River that runs through the city overflowed, inundating main roads and submerging hundreds of homes and shops. Emergency services have evacuated residents from the most affected areas, while rescue workers are working hard to free people trapped in their homes. Authorities in Italy have issued a state of alert for the Liguria region and surrounding areas, as heavy rainfall is expected in the coming hours. Residents are being asked to remain vigilant for possible landslides in hilly areas where the soil has been saturated by heavy rain. So far, there have been no reports of casualties, but the material damage caused by this natural disaster is estimated to be in the millions of euros. Emergency response teams continue to work to restore the situation, while the governments of each country are trying to provide assistance to the affected population. In addition to the direct impact of hail, snow, and flash floods, the extreme weather conditions in Spain and Italy have also disrupted various sectors of society. In Spain, the hailstorm that hit Barcelona and Santa Coloma de Farners caused significant damage to agriculture and infrastructure. Agricultural land in the Catalonia region suffered major losses as crops were damaged by the ice falling at high speed. Farmers reported that vineyards and olive groves ready for harvest were destroyed, threatening local agricultural supplies.
Flipant. Entre Santa Coloma i Riudarenes.
In addition, several schools and shopping centers in Barcelona were temporarily closed due to damaged roofs and the risk to public safety. In Barcelona and other cities hit by heavy snow, economic activity slowed as many workers were unable to travel due to snow-covered roads. Local authorities deployed hundreds of heavy equipment and officers to clear roads and ensure public transportation continued to operate. However, flight and train schedules continued to experience delays and cancellations. Meanwhile, in Italy, Flash floods in Genoa worsened as rainfall intensified. Local authorities said that the Bisagno and Polsevera rivers had reached critical levels, triggering emergency warnings for the surrounding area. Several hospitals reported difficulties operating due to power outages, while several public facilities, including Genoa's main train station, were forced to close due to flooding reaching more than 1 meter. In addition to Genoa, other cities in Liguria such as La Spezia and Savona are also starting to feel the impact of the heavy rains. Residents in hilly areas are worried about potential landslides, especially in areas that have previously experienced landslides. Rescue workers worked through the night to help evacuate affected residents, especially the elderly and children who are most vulnerable in this emergency. The Italian government has allocated emergency funds to help people who have lost their homes and property due to the floods. Humanitarian aid teams have also been set up at several evacuation points to provide food, clothing, and temporary shelter to those affected. Amid the situation, meteorologists warn that extreme weather conditions are likely to continue in the coming days. People in both countries are urged to remain vigilant, follow weather updates through official authorities, and take precautionary measures to reduce further risks.